glad that I picked Iceland instead of Canada. Because yeah, Canada has the Niagara Falls, but Iceland has a million Niagara Falls. Look at that. Beautiful.
I'm gonna take it off because I want the blue to show.
There's like a line. Hey! Let's go. Oi! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Hello. This is the mushroom soup. So the kitchen was actually closed. They were offering free refills. So I got volcano soup. It's so good. So they're hiring me as their chef.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome to Iceland.
Thank you. My first
Very
job
good.
in Iceland. Yay. I have to come here at 10 tomorrow. Will you take me? So my shift is at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Yeah. So I gotta come back here at 10. Move! I want to go to that side. Should I try? I think I will. Let's see. Oh gosh. This is not very good. Made it. Oh yeah, my feet definitely got wet this time. Worth it though. What? Give me my thumbnail. Yeah, that's the one. I'm soaked. Worth it though. Wait.
Of me, of course.
I just saw the Don't Worry Be Sexy truck again, and on the other side there's a baby. I don't know if it's the same one, but maybe it is. I guess everyone in Iceland's just doing the same thing. Oh my gosh. Changed my shoes, dry socks, dry feet. I feel so comfortable right now because getting my socks wet, it was worth it, but it was pretty uncomfortable. I'm literally dying. We're almost there though. Made it. Worth it. Nice hotel. Very nice. This is nice. Here's the view. Best grad gift ever. Ready. Confit. Juicy. Sand, guys. Are we serious? All this. Have you ever seen a beach that looks like this before? Look at that little cave. That's like the little famous picture taking spot. I feel so like SD kid right now. I don't mean to be a LARPer, but I'm bold. I'm eager. She's looking at my demeanor. Such a LARPer. Like, not if SD kid like came to Nashville, I would totally go. Kevin, come with me, and Bethany. Not actually black sand. It's black rock. I'm surprised about that. I thought it was gonna be straight up black sand. Well, the black sand's actually over there. So over here, it's like actual black sand.